Yeah.
There we go.
We are stuck in the sand.
In the sand.
And I am the man
She is a man.
for the job.
Yeah.
Trying to
That's
get
intense.
us out of high center.
This is Justin over here on the dirt. How's it going there?
Fantastic.
That's great.
Happy fucking birthday, Justin.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Oh, fucking thank you.
Taking his way out of the 20s.
That's
Somehow
funny.
he's still stuck.
This is exactly how horror movies start.
Exactly.
I hope somebody got their fucking knife.
Gory, so she'll go first.
I know.
Last one first.
Run.
She's pretty too, so Jeremy might make it.
Thank God for being
We're
ugly.
gonna be the survivors. And we'll be digging the car out to get away.
Pretty good. Go backwards.
Backwards?
Huh?
Now we're confident about this coming out.
Okay.
Are you?
No.
Jeremy.
I was yes.